Eventually, I'll be able to use those.
I got one more that's green.
Oh, that's great. That's great.
It's so slow. Sorry, Darby.
Red shirts always. So here's my red shirt.